Hi, Bill.
Hi, Yale. Very good, thanks.
You just finished a wonderful demonstration. You was showing how to make these beautiful chocolate curls.
Yes.
So it looks really delicate. Is it quite simple to make?
Well, once you know the secret of it, it's very easy, but it's one of those things that I think it's a good opportunity for anybody to see that just by using good quality chocolate and just using a simple technique on a plastic strip, you can do something that's very creative and wows everybody.
Wow, and also you have a really special hot chocolate.
Yes.
It was an experiment gone wrong. What happened?
It was. At the time, it was one of those situations where, because of the history of Sirhan Sloan and his importance in this country on introducing a milk drinking chocolate, we were working on doing a dusted version, not powder or flakes, but something a bit more of a dusty version of drinking chocolate. And I made a big mistake. I left the machine running overnight, and when I came in the next morning, I needed sunglasses because it was such a shiny finish. So it was actually a mistake that went right. So it's one of those euphoric moments where you think, oh no, what did I do? But you found out, wow, I just fell upon something very unique. So we do something which you can find nowhere else in the world, which is shiny dark chocolate beads, which are also nice for snacking. So we do that in milk and dark chocolate.
Oh, brilliant. And you have beautiful new packaging, and you also have a new website?
Yes, our new website has just gone live this week, so sirhansloan.com, where we sell online. We do Oompa Loompa tours, team building, and all of our award-winning chocolate is available online.
What's the Oompa Loompa?
Oompa Loompa is for students and children to come in and experience cocoa as a fruit grown on a tree, so one of your 5 a day, very interactive, 1.5 hours time, but it's something that all the kids get wild, and of course the parents are then raving fan customers.
Wow, and how is the festival going for you? Are you enjoying it?
It's been brilliant, and thank you very much for hosting the festival and having us here again, and it's just, we won't miss any of them now, so we're now part of the family.
Brilliant, it's lovely to have you. What's your bestseller?
Bestseller is our pralines. Our pralines selection is by far the bestseller. That's hazelnut, cinnamon, coffee, vanilla, and almond, and that's by far our bestseller.
Sounds delicious. And what's your favorite?
My favorite is the dark chocolate truffle. It's one that, because I conch my own chocolate, I use less than 14% cocoa butter in the center, so it has a smooth, sultry, buttery texture, although there is no butter in there. It's a very smooth texture.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Yale. Keep up the good success. Thank you.